Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia, inside the showroom checking out this gorgeous 1970 Ford Bronco. This is an uncut, just slightly lifted version. It was treated to a full frame-off restoration a little over 2 years ago. This truck lived most of its life in New Mexico. We've got a copy of the original title. The original owner moved to Massachusetts and then sold this truck to a gentleman in upstate New York who performed the beautiful restoration. So we actually owned it about 2 years ago and sold it to a gentleman in South Carolina who enjoyed it for several seasons and decided ready to move on to something different, and we gladly purchased it back from him. I'll give you a quick walk around tour, tell you all about it. We'll fire it up, let you hear it running. So gorgeous grabber blue color. Paint and body are gorgeous. Probably only about 500 miles since the full restoration. You can see the body panel gap is excellent. The doors fit extremely nice. You gotta love the uncut rear fender wells. Really nice set of American Racing slotted mag wheels wrapped in the BF Goodrich all-terrain TA tires. Those are like new. Does have a Rampage convertible soft top in white. I folded it back and enjoyed it this weekend, and this thing drives out beautifully. Got the matching spare on the original spare tire holder. Passenger side just as nice, of course. Other than a couple of rock chips, the body is really near flawless. There were a couple of tiny rock chips touched up on the lower rocker there. We do have a little bit of touch-up paint. Runs and drives beautifully. So this was original 302, completely rebuilt at the time of restoration, a stock rebuild. It's got plenty of power. It was converted from a 3-speed manual to an automatic, done with an automatic shifter in the floor, you'll see. Power steering, power brakes. And I'll tell you what, this thing drives beautifully. A lot of Broncos are a handful, but this one, you can just one finger on the steering wheel and she cruises. Beautiful interior, nicely upgraded to the Tom's Bronco bucket seats. So you've got the modern comfort, but still got a classic type look. Nice center console added. Beautiful door panels, matching door panels in the rear. The rear seat is a fold and tumble matching rear seat as well. Gorgeous wood grain steering wheel. All new knobs on the dash. Really a nicely done restoration. Something you'd be proud to take any of your car shows and she's ready to cruise on the beach or through the mountains. Nice set of Ford logoed carpeted floor mats. Really nice tan carpeting throughout this Bronco. I'm gonna fire it up and let you hear it running. Fires right up. It's got a really nice tone from the dual Flowmaster exhaust. Nice little Bronco insignia on the horn button. Got electric wipers. Got a really nice Bluetooth stereo. Speakers mounted there in the rear as well. I'll let you hear it running. Got a great tone. The undercarriage looks as good as the top side. Rust-free, really nice. Let you hear it running. If you've been in the market for an early Bronco classic and you love the uncut style, this grabber blue one is just simply one you don't want to miss out on. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 770-359-8400. Thanks a lot. Good luck.